Sakal Gunar Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
When I stayed for some days as a guest in the heavenly planets, all the heavenly demigods, including King Indradev, took shelter of my arms, which were marked with a Gandiv bow, to kill the demon named Nivatkavach. O King, descendant of Ajmi, at the present moment I am bereft of the supreme personality of Godhead, by whose influence I was so powerful. The heavenly demigods are certainly more intelligent, powerful and beautiful, and yet they had to take help from Arjun because of his Gandiv bow, which was empowered by the grace of Lord Sri Krishna. The Lord is all-powerful, and by his grace his pure devotee can be as powerful as he may desire, and there is no limit to it. And when the Lord withdraws his power from anyone, he is powerless by the will of the Lord.